Hello everyone, in this short video I'd like to present you WordPress Cache Plus, how to install it, use it and take advantage of all its features. So first of all you'll have to access your WordPress blog, go to your dashboard and then in the left sidebar just click plugins, add new, upload, choose file and select the zip archive, WP Cache Plus zip, install now, activate plugin and you're done. Now in the left sidebar again you can access the WordPress Cache Plus admin panel. For really basic usage you will only need the first tab, which is create split test. So let's say we would like to test whether visitors um, buy more often if we greet them with hello or if we greet them with hi. So let's call this split test welcome. Click start and now the first version. The first version will be hello and the second version will be hi and just click finish. Versions created for element 1. The shortcode for this element is wcache plus equals 1. Copy the code and go to one of your posts. So let's just edit the hello world post. Okay, I've pasted the shortcode here, wp cache plus equals 1, update, and let's check it out. Okay, so you can see it now says hello. I refresh it, it says hi, hi again, hi, hello. So it randomly displays either one version or the other. Of course there could be 10 versions, so it would each get 10% of the count. So now we would like to see which converts best. So for that we will need a link um, or a button, which we call it a trigger. So you can see here the shortcut for the trigger is trigger equals 1, then HTML of the link button, and then close trigger. So let's say that the trigger for us will be a link which says okay, I'll just direct the link to Google, but let's say this would lead to PayPal and call the link buy now. This can be a link or it could also be something like this and a submit button. Submit value equals buy now. Okay. Actually let's go with the second one, and as you can see you just have to surround your button with this code trigger equals 1 close trigger. So let's just type that trigger equals 1 closing trigger update. Okay, so here's how our post looks like now. So hi, buy now. I'll refresh it, it says hello, buy now. So right now I'm going to jump ahead and show you the stats panel. Please select an element. The only element we've created so far is welcome. And you can see that we have two versions, hello and hi, and each got one click. So watch what happens now. We click buy now when the version displayed is hello. Okay, nothing happens because the button is not meant to do anything right now. It's just a really simple code. It's not part of a form. But watch what happened. Version 1, which was hello, has now 2 clicks, while hi has only 1 click. let's say we're another visitor now. Again, we see hello. We click buy now. Okay, let's reset this. You can now see version 1 hello has 3 clicks, while version 2 hi has only 1 click. So every time someone presses the trigger, which means it that visitor converts, whether you're selling something or you can place the trigger around the subscribe button. It means that version of your element converts better than the other one. So now if I refresh, I still can see the high version, but it should appear less often than the hello one, especially later on when hello will get a lot more clicks than high. Okay, so that's the basic usage of the WordPress Cache Plus plugin. But let's check out some other features. You can also access the shortcodes tab, and as you can see, you can click on the name and you can actually edit the versions. There's a word of caution here: editing this version will reset the split test. Let's say I change high. I've seen that it doesn't convert that well. I change it to high there. Okay, let's place some exclamation marks, hit save, changes saved. Now if we check out the stats for welcome, we see that each has 1 click, so the stats have been reset because it's another split test since we've made some changes. We can also remove this element. We get prompted whether we're sure or not, and you have the shortcodes here. And finally, the settings tab. For now there's only one simple setting called constant version. Same user will see the same version every time he or she visits the site. So for now, if I refresh the page, I sometimes see hi, sometimes okay, hi there, or sometimes I see hello. But maybe you want the same user which visits you from the same browser to see the same version every time. Even though you're running a split test, you want to have some consistency. Maybe the visitor which visits your sales page might find it bizarre that each time he refreshes or revisits your site he sees a different price or a different buy now button. So you want some consistency in regards to the individual users. So you just check the constant version setting, hit save, please wait, settings saved. So what should happen now is that every time I refresh the page I will only see hello, because that's the first version I've seen when I've visited your site. So even though you as an administrator are running a split test, I as an individual visitor, I will only see one version every time I visit your site from this computer. If you have any questions, need any help with the plugin, or have any ideas for new features, please don't hesitate to contact me.